Welcome to our channel. Today we how to request a credit limit increase from Discover, Eligibility Guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Discover account on the website or mobile app. Navigate to the Account Services section. Select the option for Credit Limit Increase. Review the eligibility criteria displayed on the screen. Ensure that you meet the requirements before proceeding. Prepare to provide your annual income information. Have your monthly housing payment details ready. Consider your employment status, as it may impact your eligibility. If all information is accurate, click on the Continue button. You may see a prompt asking for a specific credit limit amount. Review your current credit utilization and determine a reasonable increase. Input the desired credit limit amount. Submit your request through the prompt on the screen. Monitor your email for the result of your request. If approved, your updated limit will reflect in your account shortly. If denied, take note of any reasons provided for future reference. Consider waiting a few months before reapplying if denied. Maintain good credit habits to improve your chances in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.